श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ ॐ मुनित्रयं नमस्कृत्य तदुक्तिः परिभाव्य च वैयाकरणसिद्धान्त कौमुदीयं विरच्यते अ इ उन् ऋल् ऋक् ए ओङ् ऐ औच् हय वरट् ळन् ञमङणनं जभञ् घडधश् जवगडदश् खफ चटथ चटतौ कपै श ष सर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि सु औजस् अम् औक्षस् ताभ्यां भिस् ङेभ्यां भ्यस् नसिभ्यां भ्यस् नस् ओस् आम् ङि ओस् सुप्. So yesterday we were seeing Bahugana Vatudati Sankhya. Yete Sankhya Sanyasyu. These Bahugana Shabda and Vatudati Pratyas will get a Pratyanta, will get a Sankhya, the Sanya called Sankhya. Okay. Now, Tika. Bahugana, Bahuscha, Ganascha, Vatuscha, Datischa iti Samaharadunda. That is a Samaharadunda. We already saw that. Yetat Sankhya Sanyam Syadityartha. It will get a Sankhya Sanya. And Falitamaha. This is the end result. Bahuadaya Ityartha. The Bahu, etc. That is the idea. Bahugana Shabdau Iha Tritvadi Parardhanta Sankhya Vapaka Dharma Visheshavachino Grishyate. Bahu and Gana refer to the numbers from 3 to Bahu means more, great. So, lot. So, Bahu means lot. And Ganam also is number. So, it starts from 3 to innumerable. Okay. So, Natu Vaifulya Sangavachina. See, Bahu also is used in the sense of Vaifulya. Vaifulya means tremendous, more. Not actually, Bahu is the general meaning is more, we have accepted. Tremendous or Vaifulya as tremendous or ample in that sense. And Sangha means a group. Group means here Gana. The Gana, the Sangha, the group, the Gana Pata, etc. we saw, right? So, in that sense, it is not used here. Okay. Sankhya iti anaya iti anarthava sanya vijnanatha. Why? Because the Sanya of Sankhya is in the sense of Sankhya yate anaya iti. This is it. Through this, it is enumerated. It is numbered. So, in that sense, it is said. Bahu dati pratyo. Bahu and dati are pratyas here. Sanya vidho api iha tadanta granam. Sanya vidho api iha tadanta granam. Even though it is Sanya vidhi, we accept the tadanta grahanam. See, in Sanya vidho, we already said the paribhasha. Pratyagrahane tadanta api grahya. But Sanya vidho na pratyagrahanam. So, Sanya vidhi, we don't do the tadanta grahana. Sanya vidhi, in Sanya vidho na tadanta grahanam. So, that is accepted here. Kevalayoho prayoga anarhatvat. Why? Because you cannot use the pratyaya individually anywhere. You have to accept it in association with something else, some shabda, right? Bahuriti, bahuriha yat tadetebhya parimane vatup iti tadhita pratyayo grishyate. Natu tena tulyam kriya ched vati iti vatirapi ukaranumanna. There is no need for explaining this, but still some people may have this doubt. Oh, vatu means the ukara is ucharanartha. So vat means there is probably this vat. There are two vat. One is the vat in the sutra yat tadetebhya parimane vat. In the sense of parimana. Parimana means in the sense of size. We use vatup. So that is the sutra. That is the vatup. There is also another possibility. What is that? Tena tulyam kriya ched vatihi. If you say Tena tulyam kriya chet. If it is similar to something or if there is a similar activity somewhere, we say vat. So, that also is vat and this also ends with vat. That is what is referred here. No, both are referred here. No, it is only vatup and not vati. Why? How do you know that it is not vati? Because ukarana bantat. In the sutra, if he didn't want that, he would have said vat. He has specifically said vatu for you to avoid the vati pratyaya. Okay. Datirapi किमः संख्या परिमाणे डति च इति विहितः तद्धित एव गृह्यते वतु न सहचर्यात् न तु भातेर्डवतुरिति विहितः कृदपि. So here with dati also we have to understand kimah sankhya parimane dati cha. Kimah sankhya parimane dati cha. In that sutra whatever dati is said, that is what is prescribed here, and that is a tadhita. Why tadhita? Because there is a krit pratyaya also. What is the pratyaya? Bhater davaturiti. Bhater davatu. There is dat also there. That is not accepted. Why? One, there is dati specific, ikaranta ucharana specific. Two is this is in association with the vatu. Vatu is a tadhita pratyaya and davatu, dati is also a tadhita pratyaya, not the krit pratyaya. Okay, so for both reasons we accept only the dati, not the davatu. Okay, no. Okay, no. Sankhyayaः क्रियाभ्यावृत्तिगणे कृत्वसुच् इत्यादि संख्याप्रदेशेषु बह्वादीनामेव चतुर्णां ग्रहणं स्यात्. न तु लोकप्रसिद्धसंख्यावाचकानामपि. So we have to accept all these in the sense of bahu. Bahuvadinam Chaturnam Grahanam. In the sense of Sankhyayaha Kriya Bhyavrittiganane Kritvasuch Ityadi Sankhya Pradesh. In the Sankhya, in the Bahuvadinam eva Chaturnam, only the Bahu etc. the four should be accepted. Natu Loka Prasiddha Sankhya Vachakanam. Not in the sense of the numericals which you see in the world. Not in that sense. Why? Kritrima Akritrimayoho Kritrime Kari Sampratyeti. When you find something which is common and non-common, you have to accept something which is common. We have to go with something which is logical. Tadascha panchakritva ityadi nasyaditi chet. Therefore, panchakritva, in those sense, panchakritva means repeating it 5 times. So, those will not be possible if we say nanu iti chet, na, don't say it. Why? Because sankhyaha atishadantayah kan ityatra तिषदंत पर्युदासवलेन संख्या प्रदेशेषु कृत्रिमा न्याय अप्रवृत्ति ज्ञापना. See, in संख्या the kritrima and akritrima nyaya will not be applicable. How do you know this? In the sutra, in the place sankhyayaha atishadantayah kan, in the sutra he has specifically said atishadanta, not atishadanta, not atishaya or atishad. It is atishadanta. Where there is no tishad anta. Tishad anta is negated. Paryudasa valena. With that strength, we accept this. In Sankhya Pradeshesu, this logic will not be applicable. Nahi vimshati trimshat itya trimshadadi shabdanam kritrima asankhya sanya asti. Kritrima asankhya sanya asti. In vimshati, trimshati, etc., this kritrima sankhya sanya does not exist. Nasa evam sati bahu gana grahana vayarthim sankhya. Then why do you have to say bahu gana? There is no point, because bahu numericals we are going to use, isn't it? So he says no. Tayor niyata vishaya parichedakatva abhavena lokasankhyatva abhavat. They are not limited to some numbers, some specific numbers. Therefore, they are accepted. Atayeva bhashye. That is why it is said in Bhashya. Yeda sutram atideshartham yad ayam asankhyam sankhya ityaha ityuktam. So this sutra is for atidesha, to carry forward it in some ideas, and this idea in some place. How do you know this? Because it is accepting the non-numerical as a numerical. Sangachata ityastam tavat. Let this be. This inquiry be. Let it rest here. Next sutra. Daticha. See, bahugana vatu dati sankhya. He said there is a sankhya sanya. Dati also gets what? Sankhya sanya. How do you know this? Because that sutra is 1.1.23 and this is 1.1.25. So sankhya sanya comes here. But wait. So logical explanation. But there is a problem here. What's the problem? The problem is bahu gana batu dati sankhya. Dati is already specified there. Then why is he saying it again here? Dati also for dati. Is this that different dati? No. The cha is different. The cha is not to include the sankhya here. The cha is to include another sanya. That is why he says, Datyanta sankhya shat sanya syat. Datyanta sankhya, the Datyanta sankhya, whatever is that, whatever numerical, that whatever number that which has the dati, that dati has. Sankhya, the Sankhya, Sanya, whatever Dati has, that Sankhya, along with the Sankhya Sanya, it will also have Shat Sanya. Shat is not 6, numerical. Shat is a Sanya here. Okay, it's a name. It's a name provided here. Sankhya is a Sanya here. Shat is a Sanya here. Okay. The utility is said in the next sutra. Dati cha. Dati iti avyakti nirdesha. Dati is not a declension. It is just a dati, directly. How can you use it? Pratyatvad tadantakarana. Because it's a pratyaya. We want to show you this. This is the pratyaya we want to use here. So pratyatvad tadantakarana. So that is the pratyaya. Since it is a pratyaya, logically you will also pratyakarane tadantapi grahya. You will accept that logic. Puru sutrat sankhya iti anuvartate. From the previous sutra, we carry forward the idea sankhya. Okay. Shnanta shat ityatha shat iti cha. Shnanta shat, there is a sutra. From there, you carry forward the shat. Tadaha datyanta iti. Sankhya iti kim? Why do you have to say sankhya? Because pati, we have to define the pati. Okay. So for pati, we need the sankhya. Otherwise, it will go to pati also. Dati, because that is also a datyanta, right? Pratyasya lukshlu lupaha. Next, atha shakshanya karyam looks vakshanaha. So the next, what is the use of giving another sanya? It already has sankhya sanya. Why do you also include this shat sanya? So the utility of shat sanya should be said. So he is bringing the next sutra. Pratyasya lukshlu lupaha. Pratyasya lukshlu lupaha. Pratyasya luk shlu lupaha. Pratyasya luk shlu lupaha. Pratyasya luk shlu lupaha. For the pratyaya, luk shlu lup. There are 3 words actually. Okay. Lupaha. Luk shlu lup shabdaihi kritam pratyaya adarshanam kramat tat tat sanyam sya. Pratyas get luk shlu lupa. So whatever adarshana, adarshanam lopaha, whatever lopa you did with luk shlu lupa will get that luk shlu lup name. Okay. The idea is lopa took place. There lopa took place. You say lopa took place. Instead of lopa took place, luk took place there. Shlu took place there. Loop took place there. If you say, that also means adarshana, but there is a specific idea there. It is not the lopa, general lopa, it is a look. It is done by look, not by something else. That is the idea. Okay. So, adarshanam lopaha. Each one will have a specific reason why we are specifying the look, shlu. They are all 3. Even lopa is adarshanam, but still, why are we saying this? Giving specific different names for using it in different places. Okay, we'll see that. Adarshanam lopa ityatha adarshanam ityanuvartate. From adarshanam lopaha, adarshanam is carried forward. Pratyasya adarshanam luk shlu lup sanyakam syadityarthya pratiyate. So the idea now we understand is from the sutra. Generally, if you try to understand pratyasya adarshanam, pratyasya, from the adarshanam you are carrying to adarshanam lopa, you are carrying forward the adarshanam. The pratyas adarshanam will get a luk shlu lup names. Okay, this is the idea we understand from the sutra. You understand? So from the pratyaya, if the pratyaya becomes disappear, when the pratyaya disappears, then it gets 3 names: luk, shlu, lup. Okay, this is the idea we get. Now, evam sati, if this is the case, if this is the sense you understand it, then ekasya pratyasya adarshnasya tisro api sanyas. One adarshana gets 3 names. In fact, lopa also is one more name. So, luk, shlu, lup, lopa, 4 names. So, tadascha hanti ityatra shak luki shlo iti dvittam syat. Then in hanti, when shlu gets luk, then you will have to do doubling. Jyoti ityatra, and in the sense of juhoti, in the sutra, in the word juhoti, What happens is shlau sati. We bring in the shlau. When shlau takes place, uto vruddhir luki hali iti vruddhi syat. Uto vruddhi. Who gets vruddhi when luk takes place. When hal follows. But shlu took place here. Or does not really matter. They are all same name, different names given to the same thing. So whether it's shlu or luk does not really matter. Vruddhi will take place. So that will be the sense you will understand in. Ataha naivam artha. Therefore, that is not the sense you should understand it in. Meaning, Pratyadarshana does not get all these three names. Then what? Kintu lukshlu lupaha iti avartate. You have to copy paste lukshlu lupaha in the same statement twice. You have to use it in two places. Syntactically connect it in two places. What does that mean? Tatascha. Therefore, lukshlu lup iti ucharya vihitam pratyadarshanam. The pratyadarsana, the disappearing act of the pratyaya, which is made using the lukshlu lup words, yatha sankhya paribhashya kramat lugadi sanyam syat. So, through the yatha sankhya anudesha samanam, through that paribhasha, kramat, respectively, they will get the lukshlu etc. names. Iti labhyate. That is the idea we gain. Atah naukta sankrah iti abhipretya. Therefore, there is no confusion here. The confusion which you brought, shlu also gets luk, the luk karya, that or luk also gets the shlu karya, that will not take place here. There is no confusion here. If it is luk, it will get only the luk karya. If it is shlu, it's only going to get the shlu karya. Okay. Phale luk jyotyadibhyah shluhu janapade lup इत्यादि विधि प्रदेशेषु अस्य सूत्रस्य शाटकं वयः इति वद भावी संज्ञा विज्ञानात् न अन्योन्याश्रयः. So we are separating the different things in different places. Therefore, there is no अन्योन्याश्रय. फले लुक जुहोत्यादिभ्यः श्लुः janapade lup etc. In all these places we are using this in different places in different meanings, different ideas. So there is no confusion here. No अन्योन्याश्रय. They are not interdependent. Tadevam Kathi Shabdasya Shat Sanyamaha. Now the Kathi Shabda is given the name Shat. What is the utility? So that is yes. Shat Bhyo Luk. Shat Bhyo Luk. Shat Bhyo Luk. Shat Bhyaha Luk. Shat gets whatever that got the name Shat, that those words get Luk. Shat Bhyaha Parayoho Jashasoho Luk Luksya. So the shad, whatever got the shad sanya with those words, whatever just and shas are associated, those just and shas pratyaya will get luk. Means adarshanam lopa. Okay. Shadbhya iti. Just shaso iti anuvartate. Just shas is carry forward from the previous sutra. Tadaha shadbhya parayoho ityadina. Jasi lukte api jasi cha iti gunam ashankitum aha. So okay, just is loop, but even if the pratyaya is lopa, pratyalope pratyalaksham, still it will be taken the delta in the sense of pratyaya. So whatever lopa took place, even though the lopa took place, the karya of that which is guna jashicha, through the jashicha sutra, the guna should take place. That will take place. For that he says to doubt that, raise that doubt, he says pratyalope pratyalakshanam. Pratyayalope pratyayalakshanam. Pratyayalope pratyalakshanam. Pratyaye lupte api, two pada sutra. Pratyayalope saptami, pratyalakshanam prathama. He says, Pratyaye lupte api tadashritam karyam syat. Even though the pratyaya is lopa, done lopa of adarshanam, still the karya which has to be done if the pratyaya exists, that will be done again, even if the pratyaya is non-existent, which is lopa. Okay. Iti jasicha iti sutre. So dasicha will get the guna. Gune prapte. When the guna is about to take place, then the next sutra comes. Okay. We'll come to that later. Now pratyalope pratyaya. So pratyalope pratyalaksham. You say the Pratyayo lakshanam nimittam yasya tat pratyalaksham. Pratyalaksham means pratyaya is nimitta for which. Nimitta means the triggering cause. That is what is called as pratyalakshana. Pratyasya lope sati pratyaya nimittakam karyam sadhityata. Simple. If the pratyaya is lopa, even if the pratyaya is lopa, whatever effect the pratyaya has to do, if the pratyaya exists, whatever changes take place, that will take place even if in the absence of the pratyaya. Phalitamaha. This is the idea. Pratyaya lupti api ityadina. Even though the pratyaya is lopa, then, but wait. Sthaniyodbhavadeva siddhe alvidyartham idam sutram. So this can be taken care of by sthaniyodbhava. Sthaniyodbhava, analvido, sthaniyodbhava. So this, whether the pratyaya is existent or not, sthaniyodbhava, it will take, the lopa also, even in the case of lopa also, sthaniyodbhava, based on that, this will be done. Even though it is true for the analvidhi, alvidhi, sthanivat bhavo analvido, there it is said. So even in the alvidhi, this should take place. So for that, this sutra comes. Yatra pratyasya asadharanam rupam prayojakam tadeva karyam pratyalope sati bhavati iti niyamartham chedi vashyadi spashtam. Pratyasya asadharanam rupam prayojakam. So whatever the form pratyaya is going to, the special form which is this pratyaya is going to derive, that is the same effect which even in the case of pratyalopa will take place. To bring this niyama, to bring this rule, it is said. Therefore, this is how the Bhashya comments upon this. Iti jasicha iti. Therefore, jasicha, with this sutra, you are going to do the guna. Iti gune anena sutrena luptam pratyam ashritya jasicha iti gune prapti ityartha. Based on this sutra, when the guna is about to take place, then na lumatangasya, na lumatangasya, na lumatangasya. It's a beautiful sutra. Na lumata angasya. Three-pada sutra. Na lumata angasya. What does na lumata? Lumata. What does lumata means? So he is explaining. Luk, shlu, lup, ete lumantah. Lumata means that which is that which has luk, shlu, lupa. That which has lu. Luk, lu, shlu, lu, lup, lu. All these have lu in common. So that which has lu in common, that is lumanta. Lumata. Okay. Lumata shabdena lupte. Whatever is done, wherever the lopa takes place through the lumata words, the luk, shlu, lupa, then tan nimittakam angakaryam nasyat. Whatever angakarya should take place based on that lup, that pratyaya, that will not take place. Kati kati katibihi katibhya katibhya katinam katishu. Plural, only in plural, right? So that is why he says kati kati kati. Nalumatangasya. Pratyalope pratyalakshanam ityanuvartate. We are going to carry forward the pratyalope pratyalakshanam from the previous sutra. Lu iti ekadeshasya asti iti luman. So lu iti ekadesho asya asti iti, for which the lu is the ekadesha. That is what is luman. Luman, Shriman, like Shri, one who has Shri is Shriman, one who has Lu is, one which has Lu is Luman. Okay. Luk shabdah, Shlu shabdah, Lup shabdascha. So Luman means that which has Lu, which is Lu, Luk, Lu, and Shlu shabda. Okay. Tena shabdena pratyalope vihite sati pratyanimittakam angakaryam nasyat ityartha. So if you are going to do the pratyalopa through these sutra, these words, then the angakarya will not take place. That is the idea. Tadaha. That is what is said. Luk, shlu, ityadina. Angasya ityanukto pancha sapta ityado supi suptingantam iti padasanyana syat. If you don't say anga, angasya, lumata, angasya, na lumata is good enough. If you don't say angasya, then what happens is, in pancha sapta, etc., where the angakarya is there is no angakarya actually. There is no anga. Therefore, what happens is, it will not be pada, because suptingantam padam. There is no sup and no, there is no thing here. Pancha sapta. So it will not be pada. So just so luka luptatvat. To look, just and just have been dropped. So it will not become pada. You cannot use pancha sapta. Evamcha jasi luka lupte pratyaya lakshana abhavat jasi chaiti guno na bhavati iti abhiprayatya udaharati katiti. No. Tatascha na lopa pradipadikantasya na lopo na syat. Therefore, na lopa pradipadikantasya, that na lopa will not also take place. Ataha angasya uktam. Therefore, angasya, otherwise panchan saptan, like that it will be. Okay. Ata angasya uktam. That is why we have said angasya in the sutra. Angasya is added in the sutra. एम च जसी लुका लुप्ते प्रत्यय लक्षण अभावात् जसी च इति गुणो न भवति इति अभिप्रेत्य उदाहरति कति इति. So since this is the reason, the look just is look, because just is look, the pratyay lakshana, pratyalope pratyay lakshana does not take place here. Therefore, through the jasicha, guna will not take place. Therefore, the form will be kati, 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 just kati, shas. Okay, in shas also kati, in jas also kati. Prasangadaha asmaditi. Because we are discussing this topic, he is bringing the asmad, yushmad, asmad, yushmad, shat sanyakaha, trishu sarupaha. The asmad and yushmad word, which also have shat sanya, they are all, in all the three, trishu, in all the three, they have the same form. In all the three means, in all the three genders, they have same forms. That's the idea. Okay. Prasangaditi, asmaditi, trishu iti, puns, three, napumsakeshu ityartha. He specifically said that in the pullinga, strilinga, napumsalinga, they have the same room. How do you know they have same form? It says sarupaha. What does sarupa means? Samanani rupani yashamiti vigraha, which has the same form. That is the idea. Linga vishesha bodhaka tabadi abhavaditi bhava. Why? Because to specifically show this is strilinga, this is pullinga, the ta, etc., the case ending does not exist there. Ta, niche, etc., if is there, you will understand it is strilinga. That does not exist here. So yushmad, yushmad, yushmad. For all the three, yushmad, yushmad, yushmad. You, I. Simple. Okay. So nacha evam sati alinge yushmad asmadi iti sama samas akam iti sutrastha bhashya virodha iti acham. If you accept like that, there is no linga definitive gender for yushmad and asmad, etc. Then these sutras, the commentary for these sutras, the bhashya for these sutras, there will be contradiction. Alinge, yushmad, asmadi, etc. In this place, there will be contradiction. Iti, no, don't say this. Why? Padantara sannidhanam vina linga vishesho yushmad asmad sabdabhyam na pratiyati iti tadartha. The idea is, when it is not, when I say you go, when I'm going to say, tell man, Mr. Krishnan, you go. Miss Rama, you go. So now you have very clear the you is with Rama or Miss is with Krishnan. So when it is associated with, and it will become feminine or masculine. Does not really matter. It's not. It cannot be a general word there. So here he says, in the same sense, only in association with those words, it will become feminine or masculine. Does not really matter, but not generally, not individually. अत एव न षट् स्वस्त्रादिभ्यः इति पंचन आदि षट् संज्ञकेभ्यः टाप नीप निषेधः संगच्छते. That is why for panchan etc. the top षट् संज्ञा, whatever षट् संज्ञा words panchan etc. the top niche etc. are negated. It is acceptable. Only because of this it is acceptable. Anyatha stritva bhavadeva tadabhavi siddhe kim tena. Otherwise, if it doesn't have strilinga, naturally there is no possibility of top, neep, etc. Then why do you have to say, no, it will not take place? You don't have to say specifically, you don't have to negate it specifically. Ata eva cha nye prathamayohoti sutre bhashye ishman ityatra tasmachaso naha pumsi iti upanyasa sangachate. That is why nye prathamayoho in the sutra, bhashya of the sutra, Tasmat Chashovanah Pumsi, he brings in this sutra. This is logical. That is why it is logical. Tasmat, okay. Ata evacha naitra chandasi iti sutre shi numadi bihi yushmad asmadadi adeshanam vipratheda paramvartikam tad bhashyam cha sangachate. And that for this reason, netra chandasi in this sutra, for she and num etc. Numadibihi for these she num yushmadasmadadi adeshanam. when you bring the yushmadaspad adesha, vipratisede param karyam, which should take place, vipratisede param karyam, that paribhasha came. So that vartika is a, and vartika and bhashya is a compatible here. It is logical here. That is the idea. Okay, this in this side sense you have to understand. We'll see this. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.